First of all, you will take a scale and draw a line that is 9.3 centimeter. So this is 0. Okay, I will be drawing a line. So from 0 to 9.3, this is the 9.3. Okay, so this is 9.3 and this is this one. Now I will join this line. I will name it as AB. This is A and this is B. So after doing this, what you will do, the next step, you will extend this line AB taking 1 centimeter. Okay, extend AB by taking 1 centimeter more. So this one will be, that is extend AB. Okay, name this point as a C. The next step is that you will take a perpendicular bisector. आपको इसका एक perpendicular bisector लेना है in order to locate the center of AC. Okay, so I am taking a perpendicular bisector, so it must be more than half. Okay, it must be more than half. That means here. Okay, I am taking an arc like this, taking more than half like this, and so join this way also. After doing this, you will join this line in order to locate the center. You may draw by the dotted line, and main thing is just to take a center. So this is center, I got it. I got a center. Let it be O. Let the center be O. After doing this, let O is a center and OA is a radius. Okay, you will draw a semicircle over it. So just draw a semicircle taking OA as a radius. So in this way you will be taking this one OA, and this one just see it. See, OA will be equal to OC because O is the center. Okay, then draw it semicircle. You will be drawing like this. You have drawn a semicircle. The next step is that from B as a center you will draw a perpendicular. Now how to draw a perpendicular? There are two methods. Either I can do it in this way and directly, or either I can draw a 60, 120 and then perpendicular bisector. I am doing by the second method. First of all, I will draw a 60 degree there, then just see it once. I am extending this line like this. Okay, from here to here I am just drawing the 60 degree. This is first 60 and this one will be 120 like this. Then 60 and 120 you will be taking a perpendicular bisector. So this way and this way it is coming. Okay, that means my center is coming this way. So just join this line now. You drawn this line. Okay, this point is also came. Name it as this is B. Okay, this is A, B, C, O, and let this point be D. It depends on you which point you want to take it. After this, what you will do, the next step is just you extend this line AC. You extend this line AC. Let it be some centimeter like this. Okay, let it be suppose A, B, C, D, O, or let it be E, suppose this point is. Now what you will do, the next step is the final step. From B as a center, from B as a center and BD as a radius, draw a semicircle. Okay, B as a radius, that is B as a center and D as a point. You will draw like this, and the point where this touch to the extended line, this it touches to the extended line like this. A, B, C, D, E, O, or let it be suppose M I am taking. This I am taking as M. So this is the final answer of mine, that what I got is this BM. This BM is what actually I am just doing with the red pen right now to highlight it. This is BM is what? This is the final answer of mine. This BM, what I locate, that is root 9.3 will be BM. So BM equals to, that is root 9.3. So these are the steps to draw how, that is root 9.3. And after this further you can draw in this manner. That is, if someone asks you how to draw root 9.3, then these steps can be followed, and with the help of these steps, with the help of these further steps, you can draw root 3.7, root 5.3, root 7.6. Let me tell you how the steps you will be proceeding on. If suppose you are asked to draw 3.7, okay, so very first step I taken AB as 9.3. So you will take AB as 3.7 and BC 1 centimeter, take a perpendicular bisector and do it in this manner, है ना. The same thing you will be drawing for 5.3, then AB is a 5.3, then the same thing for the 7.6, take AB as a 7.6, BC as 1 centimeter and draw in this manner the full. So this work is completed, that how to draw root 9.3, root 3.7, root 5.3, root 7.6.